uses of a keyboard. Uses of a keyboard. Uses of a keyboard. Okay, so this is a keyboard, students. What is this? Keyboard. Okay, so a keyboard is used for typing. A keyboard is used for typing. Okay, we use keyboard to type something. Okay, the keyboard has keys. Did you see these buttons, students? Can you see these buttons? These all buttons are known as keys. What we call keys. Repeat with me. Keys. The keyboard has many keys. Many keys. Okay, for alphabets. Okay, for alphabets, for numbers, okay, and for signs, okay. Yeah, pressing the key to write something on a computer is called typing. Suppose if you want to write something, okay, so you need to type it on a keyboard, then only it will be displayed on your monitor. Okay, if you want to write something, okay, so you should write on a keyboard. Okay, suppose I want to write like I am Sumaya Shireen. Okay, so first I have to write everything on a keyboard. Everything on a keyboard, then only I will be able to see it on my screen. See it on my screen. Okay, suppose here I am writing. Don't write anything on the screen, students. Suppose, see, look at me, everyone. I'm writing something. Okay, like my name is Sumaya. See, I wrote everything on a keyboard. Okay, and it automatically displayed on your desktop, your monitor. Okay, so this is known as everyone. Don't write. Please don't write anything on the computer. It's on your phone screen. Okay, so when you press something on a keyboard, students, it will be automatically displayed on your monitor. Okay, and a keyboard is an input device. Keyboard is an input device. That means, see, when I am writing something, it is not displayed on the keyboard. Where it is displaying? It is displaying on the monitor. So monitor is an output device. That means it shows what we are done, what we are doing. Okay, it shows us, but keyboard doesn't show us. Okay, so keyboard is an input device. It sends messages inside. Okay, so keyboard is an input device. Monitor is an output device. Monitor is an output device. Okay. Yeah. Now let's move to next first worksheet. Okay. So these are jumble words, students. Okay. So you have to identify what it is. So the first one is YSEK. Okay. These are also used to open locks. Which we use to open locks. What we use? Keys. Very good. Okay. So you have to write keys over here, students. Okay. Let me write. Keys. What it is? Keys. Okay. Now the next one, it is the longest key on a keyboard. It is a longest. See, look at the keyboard, students. Look at the keyboard. Which is the longest key? Show me the long key. Which one? This one. Can you see this key? This is the longest key. Which key? Longest key. Yeah. And this key is known as space bar. What it is? What it is? What it is? Very good. Space bar. Okay. So this key is used to give space. Like in your notebook, what you people do? If you are writing something, okay, you give one finger space, no? After completing a word, you give one finger space. So like that only, if you want to give space in key, like typing, so you should use this key. You should use this key. This is known as space bar. This is known as space bar. Okay. So let's write the spelling of space bar. Here the spelling is given, but it is the jumbled one. Okay. So we have to write the correct spelling. So let's write with me, students. SPACE space BAR bar, space bar. What it is? Space bar. Okay. Now the next one, the key that is used to move to next line. That is used to next line. Suppose if I am on first line, okay, and I want to move it to second line. So which key should I use? I should use enter key. Which key? Enter. Can you see on the keyboard, students? Enter is written over there. ENTER. Enter. Yeah, very good. So that key we have to use to move from next line. To move to next line. Okay. So let's write enter. Let's write enter with me, everyone. ENTER. Enter. Which key? Move to next line. Which key? Enter key. Which key? Enter key. Which key, students? Enter key. Okay. Now the next. Fill in the blank. Dash. The keys used for typing words and sentences. Words and sentences. Okay. So if you want to write, suppose my name is this, I am from this school, I am attending my computer class, and the class is online, it is on Zoom, whatever it may be you want to write, okay, you just have to type. You have to type it on a keyboard. Okay. So which key you will use? Very good. Alphabet key. Which key? Alphabets key. Okay. So let's write the spelling of alphabet, students. Alphabet. Which key, students? Alphabet key. Okay, everyone. So which key you have to use? Alphabet keys. Okay. And one more key that is missing here, that is backspace. That is backspace. That means suppose I have to write the spelling of apple. Okay. So what is the spelling of apple, students? APPLE is the spelling of apple. Okay. But by mistake or something went wrong and I wrote the spelling like APLE. Apple. APLE, apple I have written. So that is wrong, no? I have to erase it. If in my notebook means I will erase it. So which key should I use to delete that word? Backspace. Very good, students. So you should use backspace key. Which key? Backspace key. Okay, backspace means you will go back. Okay, will go back. Okay, yeah. So that key we have to use to go back. Okay, now let's move to next part. Arush, please don't write anything on the screen. Yeah. Now, so in this worksheet, students, first you have to read and identify what it is. Then we will write in the cross grid. Okay. So let's write think. First we will read. Then we will think what it is. Then we will write the spelling of that word. Okay. Now, the first one is the machine takes. First, I will explain you what is the meaning of across and down. Okay. So, across is nothing but this way, students. Across. Do with me action. Across. Across. Up. Up. Down. Down. Across. Up. Down. Means across means you have to write in a vertical way, in a vertical. Okay. So the first one is the machine takes people from one place to another. From one place to another. So which machine will take us from one place to another? Car. That is car. Okay. Aryan Parit, please don't write anything on the screen, dear. On your phone screen, please don't write anything. It's the last time. Okay. Now, so what is that machine that takes people from one place to another place is known as car. Which machine? Car. Okay. So we have to write car in a cross way. Cross. Okay. Now, the next one. The machine is used to talk to our friends. Talk to our friends. Which machine? This one? Mobile phone. Which machine? Mobile phone. So we have to write it in a downwards way. Down way. Up to down. Okay. Yeah. And the next one is we watch cartoons and sports on this machine. Which machine it is? Television. Which machine? Television. Okay. So we watch cartoons and sports on this machine. Okay. And that machine is known as television. Which machine? Television. Okay. Now, this machine is used to press our clothes. To press our clothes. That machine is known as, students, iron. Very good. Which machine? Iron. We used to do, no? Iron our clothes. Okay. So that machine. So two things we have to write in a downwards way. And two things we have to write in a across way. Okay. So let's start writing. Now, so the first one is, see, first one is what, students? The machine is used to talk to our friends. And a downwards way we have to write. So the first one is mobile phone. So let's write with me. M-O-B-I-L-E. Mobile. H-O-N-E. Mobile phone. Which one? Mobile phone. Okay. And the second one is iron. Iron. Okay. So let's write iron. R-O-N. Okay. And the third one is, students, which is on the top, which we use from move people from one place to another. Car. So let's write car. Very good. C-A-R, car. Okay. And the next one, which we use to watch cartoons and play games. Yeah. Television. So let's write television with me. Tele. And television. Okay. Alicia, please don't write anything on the screen. Yeah. Okay. So like this only, students, you have to solve this grid. Okay. Now let's move to next worksheet. Now, in this, students, this is a puzzle. Okay. So you have to solve this. So let's start searching the words. Okay. Let's start searching the words. Okay. And those words are related to our keyboard. Those words are related to our keyboard. Okay. So the first one is, yeah. The first one is, look at the top, students, space bar. Okay, can you see this space bar over here? Yeah, so that only we have to circle. Okay, let's do it. Okay, now next one, see, look, any word is going to meet here? No. In the third line, yes, number. So let's do it again. NMBR, number. Okay, and the last one is enter key. Which key? Enter key. Okay, so like this only, students, you have to search the puzzle. Okay, search the words and you have to circle it. You have to circle it. Okay, now for this worksheet, your homework is, you have to use keyboard and write your name, your father name, your mother name, your year, how many years old you are, and your class. Okay, and your class teacher name also. Okay, these things you have to write it on your screen, and when you're writing this, make sure that your parents or someone elders will capture your video and share that in our Blue Flamingo Kids group. Okay, yeah. See my screen, means? Yeah, thank you. So, see, students, how to draw. Okay, we can use these shapes, and the pencil is here. Okay, if you want to draw something with pencil, you can draw. And if you want to use any shape, you can use. Okay. And like you want to fill something, any color, so you can do that also. Okay. And if you want to select it. Okay, see, I select this part and I want to transfer it here. So I can do that also. Okay, so you can do many things in the paint. Okay, and if you want to write something, so that you can write also. Hi, everyone. See, I use backspace because I have written wrong spelling, no? I use this backspace key. Okay. Everyone. Okay. You can use a lot. Eraser is also there, students. If you want to erase something, like, see, eraser. Okay. And color picker is there. Magnifier is there. See, I zoomed. If I want to zoom, I will use this. Okay. If I want to rotate something, I will use this. Resize. Okay. So lot of things are here. And if you want to use any different color, so you will get this also. Okay, custom colors. So you just have to select this color. Okay, which is not in the color palette. Okay, so you can make your own colors also. It's okay, dear. If you don't have computer, means just look at my screen. So this is the Paint desktop. It's look like this. Okay.